Hello, friends. Today we're going to dive into the exciting world of books and learn about fiction and nonfiction. The author makes up fictional stories. The stories are not real. Fictional books usually have an illustration or drawing. Once upon a time in a faraway land lived Zuri, the friendly monster.
Jello, I am Zuri.
Fiction books have characters, settings, problems, and solutions.
Zuri, I will get you, meow!
Oh no, you won't, because I'll get away on my skateboard.
Now let's discuss nonfiction books. Nonfiction books are all about real-life subjects. Nonfiction books have text features such as table of contents and glossary. Let's look at some books and place them in the correct bin. Dinosaurs, which bin should this book go into? This book is a nonfiction book. Scruffy Dog went to outer space. Which bin should this book go into? This book is a fiction book. Butterflies, which bin should this book go into? This book is a nonfiction book. Shark Goes Shopping. Which bin should this book go into? This book is a fiction book. Great job sorting books with me today. Remember, fiction books are not real and nonfiction books are real. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Click the link in the description to get educational resources. Thanks for watching.